how the birds got their colours. This is the story of how the birds got their colours. Long, long ago in the Dreamtime, when the land and animals were being made, all the birds were black, all one colour, till one day a little dove flew around looking for food. He flew down to the ground to catch a big, juicy grub. But instead, he landed right on a sharp stick. Ow! It pierced his little foot and made him very sick. For days he lay on the ground in pain. His foot swelled up. He was dying. All his mates gathered around to see how they could help, all except Crow. He just wandered around with his hands behind his back. Suddenly, the parrot rushed forward and with her sharp beak burst the little dove's swollen foot. Colour splashed out all over the parrot. Red and green and blue ran down her chest, wings and tail. It splashed out all over the other birds. Some got red, some brown, some blue, some yellow. Some got spots, some got stripes. All got colours. All except Crow, who was standing away from the others. Crow got no colour at all. So that's how the birds got their colours. And as for the dove, he soon got better, thanked the parrot, and was able to fly away.